Dear human friends, today I want to tell you another secret that can bring you happiness right here, right now. Happiness is something that you can only actualize with your own power, and it doesn't exist somewhere in the world, far away from you, like a jar of magic pills. You might have thought of happiness as something you find, reach out, grab, or put in your mouth like a pill. Then poof, you're one day, someday, suddenly happy. Well,
What if
I told you that the magic pill is in your hand right now? So your search is over. You just put it in your mouth, now. Imagine doing that. Then what? You're happy, yes? Oh, now you're telling me you still have the credit card debt, or your illness, or you're finally tomorrow and you're not ready, divorce is on the way. Is the pill not working? I hope you're processing the meaning of this. You see, happiness does not erase your debt or your illness or bring your lover back. Happiness exists independent of any conditions of the material world, because happiness is not a material but just energy. Happiness is a vibration. So, how does energy get created? Energy is generated by a generator, right? Are you following me? You are the generator. You summon happiness into existence, and happiness can only be brought into existence by the summoner of happiness. Can I make it any simpler? Is your head spinning now? I hope you have at least a glimpse of the idea I just shared. So like I said, all you need to do is imagining taking that imaginary magic pill and summon happiness into existence. Verbalize that you are happy. I'm happy. Remember, words first, not your mind rule. This is that crazy ninja hack for your uncontrollable wild horse called the mind. It's taught in Japan by a Japanese billionaire, Mr. Saito. It's the enhanced version of the law of attraction of all teachings you get here in the West, in my humble angel opinion. It's the Toyota of law of attraction techniques. Please do not follow your mind. Follow your conviction and say or write those words. I am happy. As often as possible, even when you don't feel it. You won't create resistance, but will give birth to happiness. And you start to think and act as a genuinely happy person who knows he or she is the only generator of happiness of your reality. You need to generate. Truth and enlightenment is always simple and right in front of you, yet often in your blind spot. It's so simple. Like, what do you do when it gets dark? You turn on the light, right? Yes, that's the thing you do. When things get dim in your mind, you do the same. Just turn on the light. How do you do that? You have so many options to uplift your mood. It could be just turning on uplifting music, eating some chocolate, going for a walk, read manga. By the way, do not read something that puts you in a serious mood. Or pet your dog, hug your neighbor, appreciate whatever you can appreciate in this moment. I mean, whatever it takes. That's the equivalent of generating happiness vibration. But do not call up someone and start bitching.
Got a minute? Oh yeah. I have to tell you what happened to me today. You know the bitch, Jennifer? Can you believe what she did to me? I love life so.
I've talked about the law of cause and effect that we are all following, like gravity. By sharing your darkness with others, you're generating and spreading and causing darkness in the world, and you will absolutely reap the effects of it. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm educating you about this so you will choose a better way for you and for the world. If you're ready in learning to better yourself as a human, listen. If you're spreading misery and misery loves company, you stay in this loop of hell. You are creating hell on earth instead of heaven on earth, which is why you're not happy. Every human gets darkness here and there. That's a fact of life. No one, not even Buddha 2,500 years ago, could get rid of pains life causes, so don't feel bad, okay? But it even took Buddha to go through incredible amount of suffering through his disciplining practices in an attempt to stop feeling pains for him to finally realize trying to get rid of suffering was a wasted effort. Only you can turn on the light in your heart because you are the generator. You are the summoner, the creator of light in your heart. You can't let your friend recover from your illness for you, right? When it's your body, your own body needs to do the healing. There are certain things that are only yours to take care of in this life. Happiness is definitely one. No more illusion of happiness being elusive and unobtainable. No more blaming others for not making you happy. You've probably heard it before, but I mean, this is the universal law, not just something Dr. Oz might say on the television. Happiness is right here for you to generate. As a human happiness generator, you're uplifting and uplift yourself and those around you, not a downer. You're a kindness spreader because you're kind in your heart. Kindness feels good to you and to others. You don't need to go anywhere or get anything. Right here, right now, it's yours, if you really want it. Then, what's going to happen will be absolutely miraculous. Maybe to others, witnessing your life starting to turn around rather quickly and becoming happier and happier. It's not a miracle though, because it's just how things work on Earth, like gravity. Gee, I like gravity. You might want to watch this video a couple of times to really let this simple but profound wisdom sink in you. Okay, my dear? I love you very much. Have a wonderful day or night.